I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again. How are you today, Emily?
I'm very good. Thank you, Paul. And you?
I'm great, thanks. Ready for a new lesson.
Wonderful. And to everyone listening, before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click like on this video and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Thank you. So, Paul, what is our topic today?
Today, we have a very useful topic. We are going to talk about daily life.
Daily life. You mean the things we do every day?
Yes, exactly. From the morning to the night. It's a great way to practice simple English.
That's a fantastic idea. It's something everyone can talk about. So, where do we start? The morning?
The morning is the perfect place to start. So, Emily, tell me, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing. I wake up.
You wake up, good. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
7 o'clock, okay. And after you wake up, do you get up from bed?
Yes, I wake up and then I get up. Sometimes I stay in bed for 1 or 2 minutes, but then I get up.
Me too. It's nice and warm in the bed. So, you get up. What's next?
Next, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face.
You wash your face with water?
Yes, with cold water. It helps me wake up.
That's a good idea. I wash my face too. And then, a very important thing.
What is it?
I brush my teeth.
Oh, yes. Very, very important. I brush my teeth every morning.
Good. So you wake up, you get up, you wash your face, and you brush your teeth. What about clothes?
Yes. After I brush my teeth, I get dressed. I put on my clothes for the day.
What do you wear?
Well, for work, I wear a nice shirt and pants. Something comfortable.
Nice. I wear a t-shirt and jeans. Very simple.
Simple is good. Okay, so now I am dressed. I am ready for breakfast.
Breakfast. My favorite part of the morning.
Me too. I love breakfast. I am always hungry in the morning.
What do you eat for breakfast, Emily?
I like to eat cereal with milk. It's easy and fast.
Cereal with milk. That is very popular. And do you drink anything?
Yes, I drink a cup of tea. I love tea.
Tea. Interesting. I am a coffee person. I drink coffee every morning.
Oh, many people love coffee. Do you drink it with milk?
Yes, I drink coffee with a little milk and 1 sugar.
And what do you eat with your coffee?
I usually eat toast with butter. Sometimes toast with jam.
Toast with strawberry jam is delicious.
It is. So we have breakfast. You eat cereal and drink tea. I eat toast and drink coffee.
Yes, and after breakfast, the day really starts.
It does. After breakfast, I go to work.
Me too. I go to my job. How do you go to work, Paul?
I go to work by car. I drive my car.
You drive. Is it far?
Not too far. It is about 20 minutes by car. And you? How do you go to work?
I go by bus. The bus stop is near my house. It's very easy.
The bus is a good option. Do you listen to music on the bus?
Yes, I always listen to music or a podcast, like this one.
Yes, a very good choice. So, you arrive at work. What do you do?
I work in a shop. I am a shop assistant. I help people.
Oh, that's nice. You talk to many people.
Yes, I do. I say, "Hello, can I help you?" People buy clothes, and I help them. I like my job.
That's great. What about me? I work in an office.
And office. What do you do in the office?
I work with a computer. I write emails and I talk on the phone.
So you sit at a desk.
Yes, I have a desk and a chair. And my computer. It's quiet in the office.
That sounds different from my job. My job is not quiet.
I can imagine. So, we work, and then it's time for...
Lunch, yes. I get hungry around 1 o'clock.
Me too. I have my lunch break at 1 p.m. What do you eat for lunch, Emily?
I usually bring a sandwich from home. A cheese and tomato sandwich is my favorite.
A sandwich is a good lunch. It's easy to eat.
Yes, and I eat an apple or a banana too. And you, do you bring food from home?
Sometimes, but usually I go to a small cafe near my office.
Oh, what do you eat there?
I eat a big salad, or sometimes soup, if it's a cold day.
Salad is very healthy. Good choice, Paul.
I try. And I drink a big glass of water with my lunch.
Water is so important. I have a bottle of water at work, and I drink it all day.
Yes, exactly. So, after lunch, we go back to work.
Yes, more work in the afternoon. I work until 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Me too. I finish work at 5 p.m.
And when work is finished, I go home.
Yes, time to go home. Do you take the bus home too?
Yes, I take the bus back home. What about you?
I drive my car home. Sometimes there is a lot of traffic, many cars on the road.
Oh, I don't like traffic. The bus is good for that. I can read my book.
That is a big plus. So you get home. What is the first thing you do?
I change my clothes. I take off my work clothes and I put on something comfortable, like a t-shirt and leggings.
Ah, yes. That is the best feeling, to put on comfortable clothes. I do that too.
And then I sit on the sofa for a few minutes. I relax.
That's very important. A little bit of rest after a long day. What do you do to relax?
I usually check my phone or I just sit and think. It's quiet and nice.
It sounds very nice. After I relax, I sometimes go for a walk.
A walk? Where do you go?
There is a beautiful park near my house. I walk in the park for about 30 minutes. It's good exercise.
Wow, that's so healthy. I should do that.
It's very nice. You see trees, flowers, and other people. It clears my head.
I understand. What about after your walk? What's next in your daily routine?
After the walk, I come home, and it's time to think about dinner.
Dinner, yes. Do you cook dinner every day, Paul?
I try to. I like cooking. It's creative. I cook simple things.
Like what? What do you cook for dinner?
I often cook pasta with tomato sauce, or I cook chicken with rice and vegetables.
That sounds delicious. I like pasta very much.
Me too. It's my favorite. What about you, Emily? Do you cook dinner?
I do. I like to cook too. I often make a big soup with lots of vegetables.
Soup is great for dinner. It's warm and healthy.
Exactly. And sometimes when I'm tired, I just make a big omelette with cheese.
An omelet is a perfect quick dinner. Good idea.
So we eat dinner. Do you watch TV when you eat?
No, I like to eat at the table. No TV. I listen to the radio or some quiet music.
That is a very good habit. I sometimes watch the news on TV while I eat dinner.
Ah, the news. To know what is happening in the world.
Yes. So dinner is finished. What happens next in the evening?
In the evening, I have free time. This is my time to do what I like.
Free time is the best time. What do you do?
I often read a book. I love reading stories. I sit in my favorite chair and read.
That sounds so relaxing. I like to read too, but in the evening, I usually watch a movie or a TV show.
Oh, nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies, movies that make me laugh.
Laughing is good before you sleep. That's a great choice. I also listen to music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I like calm music in the evening, jazz or classical music. It helps me relax.
That's a great idea. Sometimes I call my family in the evening.
Oh, you talk to your family on the phone.
Yes, I call my mom or my sister. We talk about our day. It's very nice.
That is very nice. To connect with family.
It is. Okay, so the evening is passing. It gets later. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock.
Yes, it's time to get ready for bed.
What is your routine before bed?
Well, first, I take a shower. A nice warm shower before bed is very relaxing.
Ooh, you take a shower at night? I take a shower in the morning.
Ah, see, people are different. I like to feel clean before I go to sleep.
That makes sense. I like the shower in the morning to help me wake up.
Exactly. So, after my shower, I brush my teeth again.
Yes, morning and night. Very important for healthy teeth. I do that too.
Of course. And then I change into my pajamas.
Me too. Pajamas are so comfortable for sleeping.
They are. So I am clean, my teeth are brushed, and I am in my pajamas. I am ready for bed.
What time do you go to bed, Paul?
I usually go to bed around 11 o'clock at night.
11 o'clock? That's a good time. I go to bed a little earlier, around 10:30 p.m.
I think that's a very good time. It's important to get enough sleep.
Yes, it is. So, you go to bed, you turn off the light, and you sleep.
And I sleep. And the next day, it all starts again.
Yes, we wake up and we do it all again. Wow, that was a whole day.
It was. And you see, we used very simple words. I wake up. I eat. I go to work. I cook dinner. I go to bed.
Yes, everyone listening can use these phrases. You can talk about your day too.
You can say, I wake up at 8 o'clock. Or, I eat rice for lunch.
Or, I watch TV in the evening. Simple sentences are perfect.
That was a really good conversation, Emily. I think it's very helpful.
I agree, Paul. Talking about daily life is a great way to build your English confidence.
It is. You talk about you. It's real and it's personal.
Exactly. And now our episode is coming to an end.
It is. But before we go, we want to say thank you for listening.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe.
And please share this episode with your friends and family who are also learning English.
And we have a question for you. In the comments below, please tell us, what do you eat for breakfast?
Oh, a great question. I want to know, do you eat toast, like me, or cereal, like Emily, or something different?
Let us know in the comments. We love reading them.
We do. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you in the next episode.